Good morning, class. Today I'm here again with a new video which is on pole TV. Actually, it is pair of linear equations in two variables. This is our first class on this topic. So, I want all of you to pay complete attention. In this class, we'll learn the complete basic of this chapter. Then we are going to start problems based on it. Alright? How's the Josh? Only from the boys' side. How's the Josh? Hi, sir. Okay. Don't say hi, sir. Hi, Allah. Okay. How's the Josh? Okay. Now supervisor will come. So let us start the class on pair of linear equations in two variables. Now we'll start from the complete basic of this chapter. Okay. Let us start with the expression first. Okay. Expression. What is an expression? Expression means what? You send emojis right now on your WhatsApps nowadays. Okay, so that smiling, laughing, dancing. So many kind of emojis. Usually now you are creating also in Apple. There is an emoji creator also where you can create your own styles. So we use emojis for what? For expressing our feelings. Huh? Expressing your thoughts at that time. So in the same way, we have expressions in mathematics also. Okay. My expressions, they are called as mathematical expressions. Okay, so respect the feelings of maths because it also has expressions. Okay, so now here we'll see what is actually an expression. I'll say like this. 6. Wow, so before I asked you are answering. This much talent I have never ever seen. That is 6. Okay, so if I only write 2 plus 4 is just an expression. Okay, then if I write 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. In between what I am adding? Equal to sign. So now here we'll learn two important things. First is if you write only 2 plus 4, that is one of the mathematical expression where you have 2 plus 4, or else you take 3 plus 5. It is also a mathematical expression. Okay. Now, if I am equating to 8, alright, if I am equating to 8, 3 plus 5 is equal to what? 8. Now, this expression gets converted to what? Equation. Okay, what is the difference between expression and equation? Equation will have inequality sign or this equal to sign. Your equation, what it will have? The equal to sign. So first we have seen what is an expression in mathematics. Then what is an equation? An equation will have inequality sign. In simple words, you can remember what is an equation which consists of equality sign. Okay. Now here let us go to the next part, that is linear equation. Equation is there, but it is what? Linear equation. So what does that mean? Linear means what? In a line. Linear means in a line. Okay. Linear means in a line. Suppose if I am writing an equation like this, 3x plus 4 is equal to 13. 3x plus 4 is equal to 13. Now here, is this an expression or an equation? equation. Okay. Now, in this equation, there is one new term we have added. What is that? X. So, this X is called as what? Wow. This X is called as variable. Okay. And the others are called as constants. Now, we are going to learn what is a linear equation. Okay. Now, in this equation, what is the power of X? The power of X is what? 1. Okay. Now, if the power is 1, then we say that the degree of that equation is 1. If the power is 1, power 1 means we say that degree of the equation is also 1. So, if the degree is 1, then that kind of equation is called as what? Linear equation. Okay. Linear equation, and it involves how many variables? One variable. So, linear equation in one variable. How many variables are there here? One variable is there. Okay. Suppose if I have like this, 3x square plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Now, is this an equation first of all? Yes. Why it is an equation? Equality sign it has. The next, what is the degree of this equation? 2. Why the degree is 2? Because power is 2. Power of what? X is what? Variable. Area. What is the power of this? What is the degree of this equation? What is the degree of this equation? 1. This equation or that equation? 2. Are you sure? Please sit down. Okay. Do not turn back during the explanation. Okay. So, here we see the power of the variable. Alright. Now, suppose if you have another example where we have like this, 3x cube plus 2 is equal to 4. X5, any example. Here, what is the degree here? 3. Because the power of variable is 3, that is why the degree is 3. Now, we have seen first expression, then equation, then linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Now, we will see linear equation in two variables. Introduce one more variable like this, 3x plus 4y is equal to 8. In this, what is the variable? X. With 3, the variable is x. With 4, the variable is y. So, how many variables altogether here? 2 variables. It is the linear equation. What is the power of x? 1. What is the power of y? 1. It is a linear equation because it has power 1, but it also has 2 variables. So, now this becomes linear equation in 2 variables. Alright. But our chapter says pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So, at the last we will learn what is actually the pair of linear equation. Now, have you got an idea what is linear equation in 2 variables? We have seen linear equation in 1 variable. Linear equation in 2 variables. Variables can be anything, x, y, p, q, a, b, x, y, rs, anything you can take the variable. But 2 variables means 2 variable, 1 variable means 1 variable, linear means degree 1. Maybe stand up. Stand up. Like this serious, very good. Okay. Tell me what is, give me an example of linear equation in one variable. And 9. Very good. Okay. Sit down. Good. Next, Mr. Khaja, action bro. Tell me linear equation in 2 variable example. Example. Okay, Mr. Devender, can you? 5x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, very good. Sit down. Please pay attention in the class, Mr. Khaja. In addition to saying action, class is also there. Your class does not end at action. Begin with action, end with action. Sit down. Okay. Tell me, Bushra. Okay. What is the degree of a linear equation? Linear equation की degree 1. Who said? You said no. I said. Sit down. Who said means nobody. Stand up. Okay. Give an example of linear equation in two variables. Very good. 6x plus 5y is equal to 11. Alright, Mr. Ahmed. Okay. Stand up, please. Give me an example of linear equation in one variable. Linear equation, one variable. Try. Muqtadir. Linear equation in one variable. X plus 3 is equal to 8. Very good. Simple. One variable means you have to add x in the equation. Two variable means you can add x and y or p and q. Okay. Is that clear? Sit down. Now, we have seen what is a linear equation in two variables. Now we will see pair. Pair means what? Jodi, couple. Pair means directly couple. Okay. Pair means always it is a jodi. Whenever pair comes into your mind, you see that it is a jodi. Have you started the video? Otherwise, it is moe. Okay. So it's wherever you go nowadays, moe. What is that moe? Okay. So now we'll see pair. Pair means what? Huda? Pair means joda. Then jodi. Okay. So what is the difference between jodi and joda? Both are same. Joda? That is also अच्छा हाथ का भी जोड़ा रहता है. All right. You don't go to all in detail with the pair. The thing that comes into mind is pair means 2. Okay. Pair means 2. Okay. So now here also we have pair of linear equations in 2 variables. What we have? मजा नहीं है. Some flow should be there. The people who are watching video will run away. Okay, with this fight. Okay, धीमे से, ठंडे से, आराम से. Okay, who can say? Afrin. Allah, मजा नहीं है. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Wow. Okay. चलिए मिस्टर खाजा, शो योर एक्शन. वीडियो बड़ी हो जा रही कहते हैं. विल स्टॉप इट नाउ. क्विकली. Two variants. So good. Okay. So now we'll have to come to the final point of the video where we are going to see the pair of linear equations in two variable. We have seen pair of linear equation in one variable, two variable. Now we'll see pair. Pair means you are going to write the standard form. SF. Okay. Standard form. That is AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. Okay. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Both are same. A and b are what here? Constants. X and y are a, b, c are. So now if you see both the equations are same. So now to differentiate it, we have a1x b1y c1, a2x b2y c2. Okay, what is the first linear equation in two variable? a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. That is your first equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. That is your second equation. Alright, now how we get this concept in our daily life? We have seen linear equation, we have seen pair of linear equation, we have seen in two variables. But generally if we see this situation, where it comes in your